Hi, my name is Diesel, and I'm the owner and operator of For You to See Mobile Auto Detailing here in beautiful Hotlanta, Georgia. Now I'm going to show you how to clean a soft top. Now, soft tops and convertibles pretty much nowadays are pretty much the same thing. The old days they used to have canvas tops, but now pretty much all of them have this real soft material that they use. So pretty much if you clean a convertible top, you'll be using the same procedure for a soft top. And what you use is a good soft top cleaner or a convertible cleaner, and you'll basically rinse off the top of the car. Once you rinse all the dirt and all the particles off, you want to take your cleaner, spray it directly on the top of the car. Spray the whole top of the car as much as you can. You really want to do this in a shaded area. You do not want to do this in the sun because they'll dry too quick, and now you have chemical dried in your top. And basically what you want to do is just take a brush and brush it in, making sure you go through all the seams, all the threaded areas. Once you get it all brushed down, you want to take your water hose and rinse it once again. Like I said, it's pretty much the same procedure as a convertible top. But if you have a soft top, just make sure you use a chemical that's conducive for your soft top. One thing you don't want to do is you really don't want to use soap and water on a convertible top because the materials they use them nowadays, you need something with a low pH balance, something that's really mild. So you really don't want to use soap and water on the top of the car. Plus, you don't want to have to get out the residue from the suds and everything. It takes a long time. So the best thing to use is a cleaner that's designed for it. And of course, if you have rips and tears in the top, you really want to be careful because you don't want to get the inside of the car wet. You start getting the problems like that, you might have to go to the upholstery shop and get them to repair the damage for you.